I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing essentials. Sign into Teams with your organization account and open Calendar so you control scheduling. Once done, click New Meeting and enter a concise title that signals purpose. Add the primary organizer and required attendees now because invitations come from that owner. Make sure to set date, start time, and duration accurately. Choose recurrence if this is repeating, which saves follow-up work and avoids double bookings. Next, configure meeting details and invite people with intent. Choose a channel to make the meeting visible to a team or keep it private for select attendees. Channel meetings auto-post the agenda. Attach the agenda and any pre-reads so attendees arrive prepared, and assign presenters versus attendees to control permissions. Use the scheduling assistant to view conflicts and select the best time. If issues appear, propose 2 options so people can respond quickly. Finally, finalize options and confirm access so the meeting runs smoothly. Open meeting options to control the lobby, who can present, and whether recording is allowed. Set these before invitations are accepted. Send the invite, pin the meeting to your calendar, and run a quick audio/video test 5 minutes before start to catch issues. If attendees can't join, ask them to restart Teams or clear cache, and if that fails, share the web meeting link as a fast follow.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.